Let's move. Ole, ole, ole. Oh, ciao. Oh, oh, mila, ciao. Ole, 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 ole. Oh, mila, ciao. Oh, mila, ciao. Let's do it. Prah. Bana, Prah. Prah. Yes, Khasi people, this is your African boy back again, Gabs Gabi. Peace from Africa, and we are still celebrating the victory of VPP, the victory of Meghalaya, the victory of President Ardent, and the victory of MP Dr. Rkhie, guys. So today we are going to check one amazing video which happened during the celebration of the VPP, guys, which was yesterday, date 8, guys. So we are going to check it out. I'm so curious. I just want to see how you guys enjoyed the biggest, the golden victory of VPP. Let's check it together. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Stay tuned because this channel is only for you. The love from Africa to you all, my Khasi people, paralog. Yeah, hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget also, guys, our Jali Jado foreign version is out. Go and check it. You will definitely love it, guys. Don't forget Onsan. Okay, the video is out. Go and check it, the foreign version. And let's start. Let's enjoy Prah. Prah. We are reacting from Khasi Guys. Khasi Guys. Khasi Guys. Yeah, let's do it, boy. Here is a small boy dancing for us, enjoying the victory of VPP. Let's do it, boy. Let me see your talent. Okay? Let's move. Ole, ole, ole. Oh, ciao. Oh, oh, mila, ciao. Ole, 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 ole. Oh, mila, ciao. Oh, mila, ciao. Let's do it. Prah. Bana, Prah. 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 Yes, Prah is very strong. Prah. Prah. Show them the love of Prah. Right. I wish I was there, guys. I would have done some crazy dance for baby. Prah. Men sim jonga Prah. Dancing for Prah. Woo. Okay? Yes, bro. Show it. Do it. See, Dr. Rkhie is smiling behind you. Mari jongpi. Let's do it, bro. Khasi jongpi. He's so confident, man. What was he doing? I haven't seen that. Okay. Yes, bro, do it, shake it for them. Next. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. That is so nice. Okay. Yes, this is what we want to see, man. Show them what you do. This boy is flexible. He's very flexible. This is the best part now I'm watching. I think his stomach is more flexible. Stole the show, bro. You won. You won our Prah. You won our Prah heart, guys. This is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. Like now, previous only I watched the grandma that was dancing, and now I watch a small boy dancing. This is something so unique. Just imagine it is the kids and the elder people showing the love. That is something so pure, guys. That is something so nice. Like the kids expressing, seeing the kids expressing, like they know what they're doing, right? And it is so hard to expect them showing such amazing move and showing the love, guys. This is really something nice, and I can feel something, guys. See, like all around now, I'm not seeing like those people having so much of worries, like security problem. Like I can see they those people, like they are all like one community. Are you trying to get what I'm saying? Those people, they're like one community, guys. See how they're sitting. Everything is made simple. They're all sitting around. No one is trying to act like he's bigger than this. So see how they are sitting, even all together as family, community, enjoying. Like, oh my gosh, Khasi people, they are so simple. They are such a simple people, I'm saying. And I've never seen so much of security around since this celebration started. It is there, but I don't see it like in any other state where they keep so much of guards, so much of police. Like those people, they love themselves. They love themselves, guys. I can see it. Like, wow. I have nothing much to say. I'm just so speechless, and I feel like you people are living your dream, the life of peace that I'm seeing in Meghalaya, guys. I'm wishing you all the best, and God bless you all. Love from Africa. Thank you so much. Don't forget, subscribe my channel and go and watch Jali Jado foreign version, guys. Subscribe now. This channel is yours. It's not mine. It's for the VPP. It's for Meghalayan. It's for the Khasi song. It's for the Northeast people, especially, guys. Love from Africa. Till next time.